The cue card is describe an unpleasant job that you did. You should say which job it was, why you did it, when you did it, and explain how you felt after doing that job. Hello friends, I am Navdeep. So let's start the sample answer. Well, I have done plethora of part-time jobs during my studies. Most of the time I had delightful experience. However, one experience which was quite irritating to me and I had no clue about my own choice before doing that job. So today I would like to talk about that unpleasant job which I did. It was a job of tuition tutor. As a matter of fact, I love children. I am into spending time with them. Whenever I get chance to do something with children, I just become curious. So what happened? In the beginning of month of March, I heard a news about strict lockdown in my country due to COVID-19. Although my area was quite safe, still it was completely closed. Now, due to the fear of COVID-19, many tuition tutors directly refused to teach their students. Moreover, many learners knew me as they live stone's throw away from my house, so they requested me to be a tuition tutor for them. They also offered me advance payment for a month. Along with this, I thought that I would not face any problem if I would do this job, as I had all the mandatory facilities in my own house, like a spare room with a blackboard, as my elder sister was also a tuition tutor. So it was looking quite easy for me. Besides this, I assumed it as an opportunity. Also, I was sitting free at my home and I was wasting my precious time on mobile phone for hours and hours. Apart from this, I also used to think before this opportunity that I could be a brilliant teacher. Thus, I didn't want to miss that boat by denying, and I accepted their offer on the spot. After that, I had 7 or 8 students of 1st standard and 3 or 4 students of 5th standard. I had to teach all of the subject to the learners of 1st standard, whereas rest of the learners was only wanted to learn mathematics. Furthermore, my first month was quite worst. I couldn't comprehend that whether I should focus on their syllabus or studies, or I should handle their naughty behavior during class. The 3 hours which I used to spend with them was full of stress for me. Even I started talking while sleeping, and every morning my mother questioned me that what was I whispering last night. Eventually I got it, that the profession of teaching is not for me. I have no passion towards it. I do not enjoy while teaching. Well, today I am glad that I gave it a shot to check that whether I should follow this profession or not in my future. So friends, this was the cue card. Thanks for watching till end, and also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.